This is the Broan bathroom ceiling light and fan. Let's go ahead and open her up. I'm guessing this is the light portion of the ceiling fan and light. You get the manual right on top. I'm guessing this is the cover plate. This, I assume, leads to the exhaust, and this is a flap that I guess makes sure that the exhaust goes in one direction. So here you have the actual fan, and I think you can see that it does a pretty good job of spinning. And I'm getting a pretty good breeze out of the exhaust port here, even though the electricity is not on and it's going pretty slowly. I'm still feeling a pretty good breeze out of there. The box says that it is 80 cubic feet per minute and it is made in the USA. I am a complete incompetent when it comes to these things, so I'm going to hand it over to my contractor to install for me, and I will get back to you once that's done. I'm going to do my best at getting a good shot of this ceiling light and fan. It's a little bit difficult to do the bright light, and it's actually a much brighter light than I thought it would be. It has kind of been screwing with my camera. So this might be a little in focus, out of focus. We'll do the best that we can. Looks so much better than the last one. Take a look. I seem to have lost the lens on the light over here, but this is most of what used to be up in the bath ceiling. Huge improvement. So thank you, Broan, for making a good product. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment. I like knowing what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to have a good day. And don't forget to have a great life.